What?
Cheese.
I was just seeing you playing. Are you playing?
Yeah, you want to hear some?
Yeah, I want to see what you're playing.
Bucky. No, we don't play Colorado. There's that ship again.
Is that Anna on top?
Start picking up.
Whoa! You okay? You bonked, huh? You're alright. That's funny. Not funny to hurt yourself, Goof. Uh-oh, is Anna having to jump off the ship?
Yeah.
Well, you got other princesses for your ship.
Princesses for my
On your ship? Which ship is this? Which ship is that? Is that the Jolly Roger, or is the other one the Jolly Roger?
This is the guy one.
That's the Jolly Roger?
And then climbing it. Oh, guy. I'm going away from my captain.
Oh, goodness. Thank you. Who's the captain of this ship?
Yeah. Oh.
Oh, be nice.
It's not number Bucky.
That's Bucky.
It's not number Bucky.
Why did you slam into Bucky? Where'd your cannonball go? Oh, putting down anchor? Yeah, we're gonna anchor right here.
Go down.
Careful.
Chocolate biscuits.
He was playing on the coffee table there and had a whole scenario and was talking and playing and being goofy, so I was trying to catch him on video, but of course as soon as I do, he notices it and then stops playing. Help you grow?
No,
You just
a
said,
baker help her grow.
oh, okay.
I'm not growing.
You're not growing? I think you are growing.
I'm not.
You're not? Well, how are you getting bigger? You're bigger than when you were a baby. I think you're growing.
I'm not growing like a baby.
You're not growing like a baby? I think you are growing. You're getting to be my big boy. Alright, let's go get Austin off to school.